Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you another DIY. Today it's going to be making a flower arrangement for Mother's Day. Yeah, a nice gift idea that you can do for mom. So let's get into the items that we'll be using. Okay, we have these lovely mirrored frames here from the Dollar Tree. I think they're so cute. They're hard to find, but they're really nice. And then we have this square box that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I have these nice flowers here, but I got them from Dollarama. And we're going to be having some silver paint. And we have our bling wrap here that we'll be using also. And we have our tools that we need. And our glue gun. Alright everyone, let's get started! Okay, now we're going to just paint our box, and I'm just going to paint the four corners of the box with this silver paint because they'll be showing through when I put the frames around the box. So just the four corners. And now I cut our bling wrap to measure into the space in the frame, and we're just going to take out the back, put the bling wrap in it, put the white paper back over it, and we're going to cut off this little black thing at the back. Just tear it off. It comes right off. Okay, our box is all dry now. And I did paint the inside of the top part of the box only. So now we're going to add the four frames going all the way around the sides of our box with the hot glue. And here's our finished look, everyone. I added the flowers. And here's how it turned out. I think it looks very nice. I love how the flower bling wrap looks inside the mirrored picture frame. It looks very nice. I think it's a lovely bouquet of flowers. You know, a nice gift to give mom. With the added bling going around the box. It looks so lovely. Looks very nice. Like I said, a lovely gift for mom, or even just to have for display throughout your home. It's a lovely, lovely piece. It looks very nice. I like the box a lot. Alright everyone, I hope I've inspired you once again with another lovely, quick and easy DIY for you to do, like I said, as a nice gift for Mother's Day, or even something nice throughout your home. Alright, tell me what you think about it in the description box below. And don't forget to like and share the video. And press that subscribe button if you haven't already, so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. Alright everyone, remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye everyone.
Yeah, wavy baby, wavy baby. Wavy, baby, you know I, baby, wave, baby.